I'm Jake.
And I'm Carter. We will be showing you how to use the BeeBot. We have 3 BeeBots currently. A BeeBot is a small robot that you code to go different directions.
It is easy enough to use through pre-K through 5th grade. The easiest way to use a BeeBot is with the grid.
Now, for example, say you want to go to the color red. You press forward twice, left once, and then forward once again. And then you go. You can put almost anything on the grid, and the BeeBot will go to it.
And the different things you could do skip counting. You could put numbers on here, then you have to get them in a certain order. Or you could do shapes, numbers, and letter soundings.
A BeeBot is a very unique tool that can help kids learn stuff they've never learned before.
If you go online and search BeeBot, you could find more unique ways to use this. And for example, another one you could tape a marker to the side of it using any kind of tape. And then you put it on a piece of paper, make it go forward once, and it'll draw a straight line. So then if you hit the right or left arrow 4 times, it will make a full circle. And it will draw a perfect circle.
We think the BeeBot is very cool. We hope you try it in your classrooms. If you need help, remember, I'm Carter.
And I'm Jake.
We're going down for real.